Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off fast charging settings on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on a phone settings, and next step is scroll down and then locate battery settings and then click on it, and then scroll down again and locate charging settings. Alright, so you can see now the charging settings and then tap, and you can see now the charging settings, and you can now turn on off the button here. Alright, so fast charging you can turn on or you can turn off. So it depends on your options if you want to enable or disable, and that's it. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.